everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are covering Ecash. We're gonna look on some news that come for Ecash. We're gonna look on the end on the chart analysis, of course, and some price predictions for Ecash. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and give some suggestions. And we need to grow this channel and become big. First of all, we are going to look on CoinMarketCap, and we can see that today's cryptocurrency price is up by 5.97%, which is almost 6%, which is great. We can see on the big coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum that they are recovering from the last 7 days dip that happened. On this is of course USDT Tether. We can't expect from that to go up or down because it has steady line. It's the coin that changes US dollar on CoinMarketCap, and of course it has some spikes and downs, but pretty much they're in the same line. Bitcoin and Ethereum have some great boosts in the last 7 days, and although other market is following their steps, we can see that the Cardano is jumping up. Of course, Ecash are following that steps. We can see that the Ecash is following these steps, and it's up by 5.55%, and we can see that it's currently sitting on the price of 0.302251. We can see in the 1 day chart that in the last 24 hours there was a lot of volume on the Ecash, and you can see a lot of price pumping. You can see that the price is pretty much trading in the green. First article that we are looking is Ecash climbs CoinMarketCap ranking. We can see this is published on September 22. That's 1 day ago, and we can see for the third day in a row, cash focused cryptocurrency Ecash, a November 2000 hard fork of Bitcoin Cash, continues to flex its muscles, vaulting to 33rd position on CoinMarketCap from 40 just a few days earlier. As of this writing, Ecash is up 12.89% over the past 24 hours in the price of 0.302346. Crypto coins Elnor, Monero, Crypto.com, and EOS are for now in its rearview mirror as it closed on the PancakeSwap swap and Tezos. Ecash has also given this is Bitcoin Cash a run for its money, which is a market cap recently reaching a new high of 40% of the Bitcoin Cash market cap. All the sibling Bitcoin Cash continues to show its age, dipping briefly below 500 yesterday. The coin is struggling to stay on the top 20, and it's dropped to 18th earlier today after being flipped by proof of stake coin Algorand. At one point yesterday, the Bitcoin Cash potato ratio tumbled below 1.23%, an anemic ratio not since April of this year, suggesting that Bitcoin Cash is falling behind from its big brother Bitcoin. A recent article published by AMB Crypto and written by Safi Nakwi suggested that Bitcoin Cash may follow forward the $400 in the coming weeks based on the technical analysis. We can see that Ecash is now on 33rd place, and that's great. It has it's a 12.89% boost. It has pretty much good prices on its own. Perhaps Ecash is following the age-old stock market edge of climbing a wall of worry. More likely, the market is waking up to the new sound money properties being written into the Ecash code by lead developer Bitcoin ABC. The market is eagerly anticipating an integration of Avalanche before year end, a post-consensus protocol for securing the network by minimizing 51% attack, and later per consensus avalanche, which will offer 2 to 3 seconds transaction confirmation timer. In November, Ecash Hoopers, the host of the first meeting of its General Network Council, the newly established governing body, and all the while it has been squirreling away funds allocated under the new protocol rules set up to support critical infrastructure. Ecash appears well positioned for the future with a solid roadmap, a developer team led by the creator of Bitcoin Cash, Amaury Sechet, and the rest of its kind melding of Avalanche with proof of work. The Bitcoin Cash, that's like older brother for Ecash, is showing its age, and we can see that Ecash is on 33 and it's on 18 positions. We can't expect for now that this go above this, but we can expect this price over here to be boosted a lot and even come maybe to 1 cent or something like that. The next article we are looking, this is the Reddit post, and it shows this is on cryptocurrencies, and shows that the biggest gainer in the last 30 days wasn't Solana neither ADA as everyone would expect after the runs. If you take a look at the crypto coverage these days, you might think that Cardano, Solana, and Ethereum are currently celebrating the biggest altcoin price fireworks. We can't say Ethereum is the altcoin, but okay. But far away from the top 10 altcoins have also proven to be gold miners in the past month after almost no one has on their radar. First place on the gainers in the last 30 days, we can see that it's Ecash. The first place is secured by Ecash on August 16. One Ecash still costs 0.4056 US dollars 30 days later, which is now. It's not now, but like 5 days ago. One Ecash coin costs 0.30253 dollars. That means that eCash shares price has risen by 450%. That's great. If you invested like $1,000, you would cash now around $4,500. That's great, and I think that we all should consider investing some money in eCash. That would boost the price more, and we will see more percentage, and all of us can get some money. I am of course not the financial advisor, but that's just my opinion, what will happen, what should be good for me, and of course if you want to follow my footsteps, you're welcome to join. One possible reason for eCash rally could be rebranding announcement on July 1st, 2021, because the project was not always called eCash. Before that, it was still called Bitcoin Cash ABC. Second and third place goes to Phantom and Avalanche. We saw in the last article they mentioned Avalanche, or is it called like that? I think it is Avalanche, and that's top three gainers. But we can see that Ecash is on the first place, and that's great because in the 30 days it gained 450%, which is ginormous for this kind of coin. It lost 1 0 from 0.4055 US dollars to 0.30235 dollars, which is great. It's like 4 times than this, and that's exactly what we are hoping and think that this would happen again, and it will lose another zero maybe or two, and that's probably in the beginning of the next year, maybe later on this year on November and December, but January and February is the great month for this, and we can expect some losing some zeros in those months. Last thing that we're looking, of course, is a chart for eCash. I drew, this is the 1 hour candle. This is on Binance, just a simple 1 hour candle. We can see that eCash this is the price from 27th from August, and from 27th from August, we can see that the price increasing all the way up to the 4th of September. This is like a period of like 1 week with a big pump of eCash, and from that the price is steadily decaying over the last from 4 September to now, which is like period of around 2.5 weeks. I drew this. We can see this is just the simple this, let's say this white line over here, this is the simple moving average of 9, and of course the price is following. Like I told you in the earlier clips, we can see that every time that the candle go above, this is the place, let's say over here, where the candles are going above. This is like the first candle that got above, second and third. As always, price is expected to go up. That happened over here, that happened over here, that happened of course over here, and that's just the good indicator. We can look what is now happening, and the price are going below, and every time the price go below the moving average, like happened over here, and let's say over here the price is dumping. And of course these three lines, they're showing this what will happen to the price. We can see from this time over here to this time over here, price is decaying, and this one line, I can say it's the, because it bounced 2 times from this price, this is the new support. And of course that's good because the price shouldn't, maybe a little bit, because like happened over here, go below that line, but this is something that price will always for now bounce off and go up from that point on. But as you can see, the high from this low over here is like lower than high over here, and the new high that is over here is lower than this high. This is the higher high and the lower high. We can see that is going smaller and smaller. That's exactly why I drew this tree line. This is the long term, and we can expect maybe this to happen or this to happen. I'm pretty much sure that probably this yellow line over here is what is happening. Descending triangle. Descending triangle is when the price is rebounding from the same support, but the highs of that price are lower and lower. You can see that's exactly what is happening when the price hit this place over here, and when it closes around this, it can be a few days later and earlier, or it can follow this here yellow line and happen earlier than I expect. That's the place where the big changes are happening, because the Ecash is up and its trend is going up. We can expect from that point on that happens something not like this, but maybe a little steadier increase of the price. So when it hits, please follow and watch the chart with me. When it hits this price over here, when it happened, let's say another dump to the support line, another jump and lower high than this one over here, it has happened again. Little consolidation from this price over here. Price even can decay to some point, but give a bigger jump and let's say jump over these highs over here and get new trend line to trade up. Always follow what is happening with the volume, because every time the volume is big, the changes are big. And the RSI like this, you can see that this is a massive overbought, and it goes to the oversold sometimes, but you can count more that it will be overbought than oversold. So just follow RSI volume, these three lines. If you want, use them. If you don't, that's okay. But probably when the price will be around here, we can expect some big changes and to trend for trend to go up, because that's happening with Ecash right now. They have strong fundamental analysis, and we can expect just a improvement of this price over here. If you like this kind of video, please leave a comment, leave a like and subscribe. We need to grow this channel, so please share it with your friends, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.